I'm Robin Riolini with Coldwell Banker. Welcome to 18511 Poppy Jasper Lane in Morgan Hill. Come with me as we take a look at this elegant and spacious townhome. Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,700 square foot home that has been impeccably maintained. It has gleaming hardwood floors, beautiful plantation shutters, high ceilings, recessed lighting throughout, and tons of storage in the garage. The open and spacious floor plan has 2 separate elegant living areas. The primary suite has a walk-in closet, oversized tub, separate shower, and a large dual sink vanity with granite countertops. Located in a highly desirable Morgan Hill community, the amenities include a pool, sport court, playground, and clubhouse. This home is a perfect 10.